Welcome back to Martin Architect. If this is your first time in this channel, make sure you subscribe, like the video and turn on your notification bell for more content like this. So in this video, I'll quickly show you 3 ways that you can easily export your Revit files to Twinmotion for your rendering. So pay attention as we dive into it. Make sure you watch the video to the last because the last method is what I use, which is easiest. So let's dive into it. First of all, you open your Revit file. In this first method is exporting the Revit file as FBS. And before you can export as FBS, it must be in 3D. So go to File, Export, FBS. So you save the file. Please save to desktop. Has been saved in desktop. Then you go back to Twinmotion. Open Twinmotion. It's loading. Yeah, Twinmotion is open. Go to new scene. No. Go to import geometry. Go to where you save the file, which is in the desktop 5-bedroom duplex. This is it. As you can see, the file has been imported to Twinmotion. So this is method 1. Let's close this back. So the second method, you open the Revit file. Go to view, where you can see the Twinmotion icon. Click on the drop down arrow. Select export to datasmith file. Cancel. Save to desktop. Go back to Twinmotion. New scene. Go to import geometry. So this is the second method. As you can see, this is better than the first method. So pay attention as we do the last and the most preferable method. We close back to Twinmotion. No. Go back to Revit. you open the file in Twinmotion. This can only work if you are using a version of Twinmotion that allows Revit. It depends on the version of Twinmotion you are using for this last method to work. So open the file in Twinmotion. Wait. Okay. Direct link. As you can see, it has automatically appeared here. This is the best method because it automatically syncs whatever you are doing. Even if you make any change in Revit, go back to Twinmotion, the change will be applied there. For instance, if I should remove this rail, if I should delete it, you click on synchronize, go back to Twinmotion, and it will be removed there too. As you can see, the rail is not there again. Go back to Revit, undo, synchronize. The rail is back. So this is the best method so far. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Thank you.